Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to add lock to Bitget wallet app. Now the Bitget wallet app itself has a built-in security feature that acts as a lock. Here's how it works and how to maximize your security. When you create the Bitget wallet, you set a strong password. The password encrypts your private keys, making it essential for accessing your wallet. Therefore, anyone who does not have your password cannot access your wallet. Your seed phrase or your recovery phrase is the ultimate backup. If someone gains access to your seed phrase, then they can import your wallet on any device. Protecting your seed phrase is the most crucial aspect of wallet security. Keep it offline in a safe and secure location. Now, ensure your mobile device itself is secured with a strong PIN, password, or biometric authentication, that is your face recognition or fingerprint. Now this adds an extra layer of protection, as someone would need to unlock your device to access the Bitget wallet app. Now you need to keep your Bitget wallet app updated to the latest version, as app updates often include security patches and improvements. Now the Bitget wallet app, like many crypto wallets, also utilizes biometric authentication. This can be enabled within the app setting. By following these steps, you can effectively lock your Bitget wallet and protect your cryptocurrency assets. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.